Ito, matatawa kayo dito.
As the head of our family, you deserve this. You deserve me. Eme.
I love you and I am excited to see you later. Magugustuhan mo tong gift ko, lalong-lalo na magugustuhan mo ang gagawin natin dyan in the future.
Dahil as legal couple na tayo, pasok ang new fantasy unlock. Thank you for being the best daddy to our kids. And to me as well, madami tayong lalakbayin ng magkasama. Pupuntahan natin lahat ng gusto mo kahit hating gabi pa
Mahal
yun.
na mahal kita, Daddy Ray.
Daddy Ray tumira ng tres pasok kay Dana Barake. Happy second anniversary. Hashtag Carphone na ito. All to you? Na Will! Hey! Love you, my son.